Hello friend, I'm Lahu Vowel. Today I will show you how to sound and teach you Lahu Vowel. If who and anyone don't watch the last video that we talk about, we teach about Lahu consonant, please see that before. And in this session, Lahu Vowel, how to sound in Lahu, I will show you in this time. First, in Lahu, out sound, This word in English, Lahu is A. This word in English, I. In Lahu sound, E. O in English, Lahu is O. This section is verb oo. This vowel is O. This word is air. This word is This word is and I don't difficult to sound these two vowels. This word This is and the schwa in the English used in z. And last is the vowel different. Oi. This is one vowel. And I will show you. And I will read this again. Please follow me. Listen me. This is Lahu Vowel and sound. A, E, O. O, Oi. So hopeful this Lahu Vowel. We hope you understand the Lahu Vowel. If this video helped, please like and share. We will go to next section. Thanks for watching. I'm Lahu Vowel.